Hello everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. Today ang akong recipe is chicken adobo. So I have big drumsticks. As you can see, dagko kay sila guys. Dagko kay paa sa manok. Ang manok diri sa Amerika, murag mga bantris. Dagko kayo. Ang paa dagko kay guys. So mauni akong lutuon. So kung ang akong strategy sa kung mag-adobo ko, butang na ako sa pan ang limpyuhan usa, hugasan og maayo ang karne. Butang sa pan, unya diha na nako ibutang ang tuyo, suka, mga seasonings. So I ran out of onions and garlic. So ang akong gigamit nga onions o garlic guys is powder. So like this one, I got garlic and pepper seasoning. So powder siya. And then I have Himalayan pink salt. I-grind. Unya naapod ko'y organic nga ginger. So powder ni siya. So yeah. Nya. Sanun lang akong ibutangan ni guys. Tangan ako gamay nga tubig, tuyo, suka. So mauna na pakuluan ako mga 30 minutes usa. So and then I added bay leaves. I have banana pepper. I have chili pepper, yung mahaba na pang sigang. And I have 1 jalapeno pepper. So I'm gonna cover it and let it boil for 30 minutes, and then I'll open it and check. Oh, look at that. It's already boiling. Okay, ang steam. So mani siya guys. Bukal-bukal. So I'm going to mix it para ang bottom maibabaw. So smells really good. This makes me hungry already. I haven't even cooked rice yet. So chicken in the US is very cheap, guys. I don't know how much is it in the Philippines, but I paid under $3. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's like 10 big pieces of drumstick. And I paid under, well, about $3 because the tax and everything. So that is, let's say, 150 pesos in the Philippines. So I think it's cheap. So I don't know kung unsay price diya sa Pinas, kung mas mahal ba sa 150 pesos guys. So let me know sa comment guys kung mas mahal ba ang chicken diri sa Amerika or mas mahal sa Pinas. Okay, ako sa ni i-mix. This is it guys, almost done cooking. I'm gonna cook it for another 15 minutes and it should be done. I'm gonna turn my camera kay ang steam paadto sa ako ah. Gibutangan ako siya og anato powder ng atsuete sa ato sa Pinas. Murag orange. Pero parang wala man ni color. Parang brown naman ang kuan sabaw. Pero yeah, it's almost done. And then I'm gonna cook rice here in a minute. The rice is easy because it's only take like 20 minutes and it's done. So, ang akong buhaton ani guys, I will put nag-boiled ko og eggs, so I'm gonna put boiled eggs in my adobo. So it's something different. It's not common, but I'll show you. Okay, here it is. I put the boiled eggs in there. I'm gonna steam it for, or boil it, not steam, boil it for 15 more minutes. Make sure that the chicken is tender. So I'm gonna cover it. Okay, luto na siya guys. Mga unata. Dali na mo. Most of the time, way mga unani, ako lang. Akong bana mo tilaw. Pero akong mga anak, lagi na sila mga on pag naibukog. Mga arte kayo. So mauna ni luto na siya. So thank you guys so much for watching my cooking video. Pinobre ring ato. Okay guys, until next time. Bye guys.